Make the brine. Right now this consists of vinegar, water, sugar, and pickling spice and salt. So it's pretty simple. It's a 1 cup vinegar, 2 cups water, and you make that depending on how much, how many you have. We're going to start by making a double batch and go from there. So, get my measuring cup. Start with 2 cups of vinegar. And then, of course, 4 cups of water. Now you can use just regular white vinegar like I'm using, or you can use rice vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar, red wine vinegar, whatever whatever your fancy is. I'm using the good old-fashioned white vinegar because that's what I have available. Alrighty. And if you notice, there's a lot of noise because whenever you're using a gas stove, it's always turn the fan on because you never know. You can be using it 100 times and not have a problem. One time the gas light will go out. Next thing you know, it's going to blow up. We're also going to use some good old-fashioned pickling spice. You can either make your own or buy it. I have some, so I'm using this one. This happens to be a McCormick blend.
Okay.
And I'm using, since we're doing 2 of them, I'm using 2 tablespoons. And I'm use salt and sugar. Now, I'm going to use a tablespoon. There we go. And use some sugar. The same thing, just 2 tablespoons of sugar. There we go. Now we're just going to heat it up.